Good afternoon, guys. We're here now in the jetty. We're in Portland now. We're in the Marina Bay of Portland. It's very, very windy here. Very windy. Oh my goodness. See the boat, and that's a floating jetty. There's the boat there. It's the boat. And there's a breakwater there where you can fish. And over here, behind our van, is the Portland Information Area. There's a big church there. Oh, it's very windy here. It's not that cold, it's just windy. Very windy. Buti nakarating kami ng maayos naman dito. 4 hours drive from Melbourne. That's the city center there. Yeah. It's a bit quiet. Maybe because it's already in the afternoon now here. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. Morning, Gael. Ayun, tinan mo si Noel.
Good morning. I set up my rod today like this.
Tinan mo merong rope. Nasaan? Pakita mo yung rope mo.
I got two baits and sika and this one here. And see, I got the rope. If I catch a big fish, it never come off. They not gonna take my rod. Now first cast in the morning in Portland. I hope catch something good one.
Don't throw yourself in the water.
Yes. Very good this one. First cast.
Be careful.
Yeah. There we go. First cast in the morning.
Meron ba rin kong paparating?
I hope catch good fish. First cast.
May iba rin kong paparating.
Uy, yeah. Let's see what gonna happen.
Sinusundo ka na ng barko mo, mahalo.
I hope catch something this one. First cast.
I said the boat is,
They try. Oh, that's my ship.
Look here.
Joke.
Look here pa. Okay.
This first cast in the morning. I hope catch something.
Okay, guys.
Uy, I love you all.
He's on. Be careful, pa. Be careful. Be careful. He's on, pa. Be careful.
He's on.
Let's see what is that.
Uy. Ganun din.
Snapper. Thank you, kuya. Thank you, kuya.
Okay to. Thank you. Yan din ang uli niya. Ay, ganun din ang uli niya.
Thank you, kuya.
Ay, look. Salamat.
Yeah. Dali, baka magsak. I told you, you got more chance to get. Oh, yung hook mo nasa likod mo pa. Well done, mate. Look here.
Another one, guys.
Look here. Ah. Look here.
Oh yeah.
1, 2, 3. Yo. Wow, well done. Nakakatakot dyan sa bato, baka mahulog. Galing. Nakakadalawa na kami. Thank you guys for watching. He's on again. Oh, this is bigger. What's that? What's that, mahal? Wow.
Dito nyo rin sa taas, huwag na dyan.
Naginip ako, akala ko, ano ba, naginip lang, totoo pala.
Eh, kingfish!
O baka lumipad, o baka lumipad.
Thank you, pal. Thank boy. Nakadali rin ang kingfish.
Pa, this way.
Swerte. May andyan ang kingfish.
Pa, dali mo dito. Drag it here, drag it. Ah. Dali mo dito, dali mo dito.
Woohoo! Kingfish!
Huy. Huwag ka sumika. Dito, dali mo rito. Hold it.
Yes!
Hang on. 1, 2, 3.
Ano ba size na ito?
Hindi ko na alam eh. Nakakahuli yan eh.
Pero may size man yata. Ayan oh. Ayan sa harap mo pa. Pa, baka lumipad. Ay, baka lumipad.
Yeah!
Ito ang ano, sukatan. Labas ka.
Sa malayo ba? Malapit lang.
Ah, sa malayo! Sa mga kingfish dito.
One eternity later.
What is it? Can you move away a little bit? Bumubula oh. Ano kaya yan? Nakita ni Noel bumubula pag...
Wala mo video.
Ito, this, I'm taking a video. Look, what is it? Bumubula oh. Nakikita nyo ba yan guys? Yung bumubula na yan? What is that?
Lumalakad oh.
What is that? It's white thing. Ayun, no, nakita yung bumubula na yon.
It's moving.
Maybe tao.
Ha?
Can you
Bawal mag-dive dito eh.
can you move away? What is that? Puti eh. Ayun, papalayo oh. What is that? Ayun oh.
Ayokong batuhan ng ano eh. Mamaya tao yan eh.
Tingnan mo siya kung ano lang. Ayun, did you see that?
What's that?
Bumubula.
I know, bumubula ngayon oh.
What is it?
I don't know. Something in there. Bubbling. May bubbling there. Ah, they come
is it?
Look like
It can't. It can't be a seal.
It's not a diver.
Oh, okay, maybe. Lots of bubbles and kept moving. It was around the area the other end.
Look like a diver or something.
No, it can't be, pa. It's oh, see there. It can't be. It's two. Hey, it was there here in front of us. It's bubbling really bad. There you go. Oh, now I'm curious. Huh?
Hey, line across there, catch it. Catch it and tell me what it
Yeah.
is.
He's on. Just keep it, pa, just in case someone wants it. Parang espada eh. Nakailan dalawa ka na. Just keep him.
Pwede prito.
Yeah. Keep going. Baka makachamba ka na hindi ba nakuda.
Ano?
He's on.
Ito malaki.
Oh yeah, malaki. Tarakuda.
Fish on, fish on.
It's time check. It's 9 o'clock at night. Yeah, just keep them. Put them in here. Labagsak mo lang yan. They look good. See, barakuda. Baka mahulog ka ha.
Hindi na tanggalin.
Because someone might want it and CJ.
Masarap to yung prito, mahal.
Kaya nga.
Baka tayo kain natin. Hindi sila mabuti.
Yeah. Look at the sky, guys. Sky perfect. Look how beautiful the sky is. Meron pa uli. Tapos putulin lang ang ulo, no? He's on. Ah, wala pala. Lamig. Be careful. You're on.
No.
No, here. Fish on.
It's on, Mike. On again.
Oh,
Barakuda again.
what's that?
Barakuda.
Oh, but this one's a bit bigger. Maybe we should. Maybe you should flex it, pa.
I flaked it already.
All of. Did you flex all of them?
No.
No, the big one. Maybe flex them and we'll take it home.
They eat their own now. It's a cannibal.
Oh, cannibal.
Just joking.
Oh, you make me laugh. Aray ko. You make me laugh. Cannibal daw. Tawa ako doon sa cannibal eh. Maybe flex it and... Ah, ginawa mong pain.
Yeah, yun kaya ang cannibal sa likod. What you call that? Barakuda to barakuda.
Lagay mo lang sa ano para gawin mong ano.
See? They eat their own
Flesh.
legs.
Flesh. Well done. Thanks, guys, for watching. Bye.
Paul Jackson. Banjo shirt, ano? Grafford shirt.
It's on.
No, Grafford shirt.
Ikirin mo. Ikirin mo. He did cut something.
Hey, this one. Grafford shirt. No good. Rubbish, rubbish.
It's been a while na di ka nakahuli niyan, ha?
Marami to sa loan. This one, a lot of in loan.
Yeah, they're following you. This shark follows you, pa.
Hey, follow me and subscribe, alright?
Kinausap yung shark. Release. Don't kiss it.
No.
Release.
Yes.
Ayun.
Fish like this.
Ay, Diyos ko naman. Okay, put it back.
Oh, hey, video me.
Yes.
Bye!
Thank you.
Thanks, Mike.
He's on. I wonder what it is. He was far away. It's gone, yeah? Oh. Be careful.
What's that? Small one. It's baby. Baby
Eh.
only.
Anyway, measure it.
Nah, small.
Very small.
thought kingfish.
Very small, guys.
I thought good one.
Yeah, me too. Oh, there's a big ship coming. Look. Is it coming or going? That big ship.
Going. The ship is going.
Oh, where's your rod, Nisa? You want me to?
Kunin ko pagkatapos ko rito.
Okay, guys. The fish is very small,
Very small, baby. Not kingfish.
so we have to put it back. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Not kingfish.
Sinilo. Sobrang hangin sa labas. Hinihiga na ako. Hindi ako hinihiga. Hinihiga ako sa sobrang walang tulog at sobrang ko sa sarili. Hindi dahil sa panahon dito. Ilang araw na akong lasing kaya hindi ako makalabas doon. Ayan siya, nag-fishing siya doon. Marami siyang nahuhuli dyan eh. Nahuhuli niya mga mga pinkies. Pinkies na maliliit. Nahuhuli niya dyan. Lalabas ko lang yung tripod ko para hindi ako mahirapan. Sandali lang, guys, ha. Ngayon siya, oh. Ang ganda ng panahon. Malamig lang yung hangin. Yung konti. Yan. Sabi niya video daw siya kasi marami daw kumakagat doon ng mga mga pinkies, mga isda. Diba? Matagya talaga siya eh. Yan, relaxing niya. Relaxing niya yung pag-fishing na yan. Nagawa lang naman niya yan kapag may holiday, ganyan. Pero pag may pasok, talagang trabaho talaga yan siya. Kaya hinahayaan ko siya mag-fishing hanggat gusto niya. Yun lang kaligayahan niya dito sa Australia. Puro kami trabaho dito. Tapos sa Pilipinas, yung mga taong pinagkakatiwalaan namin, kaya binababoy pa kami. Tinatarantado pa kami, kaya ayan. Diba? Kumayos-ayos ang tripod ko. Pag tripod ko, naglolo ko na rin. Lahat na lang naglolo ko. Wala nang matino. Yeah. Diba? May huli? Wala pa. Wala pa siyang huli. Nasa tapat siya ng kalsada ng ano ko. Ayun, huminto na siya. There you go. It's there? Huh?
Baby,
Oh, not a small one.
small one.
Small what?
Small pinky.
Again.
Oh, no. Oh, whiting.
Oh, whiting. Come on, baby.
Yeah, whiting.
Come this way. Yay! Nice, man. Look up here, pa.
Whiting.
Whiting. Don't move. 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. Hey, go this way. You might drop it. You might drop it in the water. Pa. Dito lang ako malaki. Oh, malaki ah.
Yeah, good one.
You see all different types of fishes here. Very good. They don't get anything but to eat. Oh, we got perch, we got whitey, we got pinkies. Beautiful, mate.
Now we got
Well done.
kingfish. Oh my God.
I told you, you'll catch something here. There's more there?
No, my line.
Your line.
Squid.
Okay, guys. You happy?
Yes. King George.
King George, eh?
Yeah.
Be small one, ha? Sabi mo. Small pinkies? No,
Small pinkies.
not a pinkies.